how to use Bing AI image generator. So first you have to open your preferred web browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, just click on this search panel and then search for Bing image AI image GNE. Okay, it says Bing AI image generator. After that, in the first option, as you can see, it says image creator from Microsoft Designer. This is the official link of that image generator. Just click on that first link. Okay, so now you can click on join and create. Then it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just click on join and create. Okay, now as you can see, we have, if you click on this start menu, then in here you will be able to see your Microsoft account. Just click on this. So as you can see, this is my Microsoft account, so I'm gonna log in this account on that web browser. Okay, let's type in my Gmail address. Okay, now in your Gmail they have sent a code, so you have to give that code in here to proceed with the next step. So after checking out Gmail, we have to give our code in here. So my code is 4099824. Just let's type in 4099824 and click on enter. So you can see it says we're updating our terms. Just click on next, ignore this written thing, click on next. Okay, it says stay signed in, so you don't have to sign in again. Okay, click on yes. Okay, congratulations, you're just signed in. So now in here, as you can see, it says a quaint snow-covered village. At dusk, the scene features twinkling stars from cozy cottages, a frozen pond with. This is the command or the prompt to create this image. Okay, so as for this is also the command prompt. You can just read it thing. So now what you're gonna do is we are going to create a image with the prompt. Okay, let's type in a winter morning with some fog in the street. So this is my command prompt to create a picture with this command prompt. Okay, so just let's click on join and create now again. Okay, now this Microsoft Bing will create the picture using your command prompt. Let's see what this thing is. One time you will create a picture and one credit goes out. I think after all of those credits are gone, then you'll have to buy it or something like that. Let's not go to that thing. Let's do our thing that we're doing now. Okay, so this thing is still loading. Please wait, your images are currently in progress. So it will take some time. Just wait patiently, and I think it will worth it. Okay, it says thanks for your patience, your image is on the way. Okay, bro, just look at this thing. Wow. Oh, whoa, what was my prompt? It is a winter morning. It says morning with some fog in the streets, with some standing lights in the street, with an amazing sky stars twinkling. You don't even need Midjourney anymore. This is enough for me. So let's see. Whoa, this one looks pretty cool. Just look at this one. Whoa. So for downloading it, just click on that specific image and click on download. What just happened? Free up space on your device. Okay, sorry, I don't even have good space. Sorry for that. Okay, let's try another thing. Okay, let's say our room, what room? In a gaming chair playing. Okay, as you can see, this is my prompt: a professional gaming room with a high specs rig PC inside it, a gaming chair, a boy sitting in a gaming chair playing games. The hair of the boy seems a bit long and messy, but not bad. Window and moon can be seen from there. Like, I want a window and the moon outside the window. Okay, let's hit create. Okay, as you can see, whenever I just click the create button, a credit just goes off from here. So this does mean that whenever you are creating one pictures, then the credit will go one count low. So as you can see, I am just being impressed by this Bing thing. Like, seriously, just look at this thing, dude. But I can't find the logic why this PC is in front of him. Where is the monitor? Okay, this one is weird. uh okay, this one makes sense. Okay, I have wrote that a gaming PC. Guys, this thing is cool. Look at his room, look at the window, we look at the details that the AI just made for us. I just told the hair of that boy. Let's just see. Boy seems a bit long and messy, but not bad. This is just matching the prompt. Let's look for the other one. I think I saw this one. Whoa, bro, this one is cool but doesn't make any sense because it don't have any monitor in it. But it's cool. In one word, it's cool. Just look at this. If you just download this image, let's just download it. Okay, let's say we have downloaded the image. I'm sorry that I don't have any space. I can download, but if you download this image and edit it on Lightroom or Photoshop with something like tweak and do something, and this image will look like a hell, dude. This will look like crazy. Okay, so this was really easy steps that how you can generate this kind of cool images inside Bing. So I hope this video helps you out, because it will, because I think this is better than Midjourney. So I hope this video helps you out finding a really good image generator in internet. And yeah, I hope you guys just get help with this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.